Okay, in this video I want to show you how to navigate scenes in the MODX. So when you're scrolling through these different performances, you may notice the scene section has some of the buttons lit or dimly lit, and that indicates that there's scene data stored in those. So what data is stored in those? Well, they're most likely motion sequence and also arpeggio assignments. These arpeggios can play back bass lines, they can play back patterns that emulate guitar strums. They can also play back patterns that are drum beats. So basically this is how you would set up a lot of these real-time performances where you would be playing different patterns and switching between different type grooves or sections of a song in real time. You may get some inspirational ideas for a song from them, things of that nature. They're not really meant to be programmed, so to speak, like a whole song. You can't string them together or anything like that, but you can change them in real time. So to follow along in this video, go ahead and click on EDM Pitch Bomb, select it, go to Category, Synth Lead, select EDM Pitch Bomb, and press the Performance button there. So when we look down here at the bottom, there's a scene row section, so you can select either 1 through 4, press the button, or 5 through 8. Each time you click on these, it may change some of the button parameters over here. Behind the scenes, if we click on the individual part here and then click on Edit, behind the scenes what it's actually doing is changing some of the different assignments for the arpeggios that are playing back. So if we click on 3 here, you can see it's playing a different trance arpeggio. Let's exit back out of this. So we're going to show you how to dig down into those areas of deeper edits as far as changing those and things like that in later videos. But in this video I just want to show you how to quickly jump between scenes and how to use this feature whenever you're listening to different performances. So when you first go to this particular performance, let's just navigate away from it and then come back to it, or use the increment and decrement buttons so there's no changes that have been stored in there. It goes back to the way it's preset default. So preset for this one is for scene 1, and when we play the keys there's nothing there. But if we go to scene 2, it's actually playing the synth DAS arpeggio as well as the drum arpeggios in there, and you can mute these out, or not mute them actually, you can cut the arpeggios off and on. But you can also mute and solo these. So that's just a quick way to navigate through these different scenes and also drop out and solo individual parts that are being played back with the arpeggiator.